Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm trying to style my entryway mirror. This is a mirror that I bought from Goodwill a couple weeks ago. I don't think I hauled it, but I paid $10 for it. And we had another mirror here that was a little darker. So I was thinking of just painting that mirror, and I probably will and put it somewhere else in the house. But this mirror really fits in well. 10 bucks, and I thought, I can't beat that. So I brought out one of my blue and white pieces. This is a new piece. I haven't hauled this piece yet either. This is a new piece of blue and white pottery. Has it's a vase with a top, a lid that I just took off of it and put some Dollar Tree flowers in and 2 eggs. I think those are eggs, ceramic eggs, that I hauled a few years ago from a thrift store. I think that's what they are. I think they're eggs, but anyway, they fit in with the yellow that I'm going for spring. So I just put this quickly out in the entryway, and I hope you like it. It's just a little something that I was trying to do to brighten up the entryway. So I tried a white vase, but it seemed to get kind of lost out here. But this blue, and you know how I feel about my blue and white, this blue really sets it off. And I love the tulips. Tulips are my favorite flowers. So let me know what you think about this. The mirror I thought was a steal. For 10 bucks, I think you could beat that. There was nothing wrong with it. I didn't need to paint it or anything. Just clean it off, hang it on the wall, and there you have it. So let me know what you think. I'm going to play around with this a little bit to see if I change it out, but I wanted to start putting some yellow out for spring. So let me know what you think. Thanks, guys, for riding with me this morning or this afternoon, wherever you are. And thank you for supporting the channel. I truly appreciate it. And have an awesome day. Take care. Bye.